Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today I have a question from Swedish Kangaroo Test. What do they ask here? What are they asking? That they are telling us that we have this shape. We are given this figure and we need to find the sum of all shaded angles, right? Like this angle, whatever the red angles you have, you need to find sum of all these angles. Okay, but I know two things. What? I know angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property of a triangle? Angle sum property. If you say in a triangle, it says sum of angles is equal to 180 degree, right? In a quadrilateral, sum of angles is equal to 360 degrees, right? Because I cannot like measure the angle, so I cannot tell the sum. So I will have to apply any property here, right? What I know, I can see that this is a quadrilateral. If I name it A, B, C, D, this is a quadrilateral. So if I say this is angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. I know angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 360 degree, right? Okay, but I do not need to find this angle. And this angle will be equal to this angle. This will be equal to this. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, right? When two lines intersect each other at a point, they form vertically opposite angles, right? So this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Now I do not need to take 1, 2, 3, 4, but why I am taking that? So now if you see this triangle B, suppose I say this is B, E, F. In this triangle, sum of angle will be equal to 180. This plus angle 2 is 180. So I will write, suppose I say this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I have named angles. So I know angle 2 plus 5 plus 6 is 180. Right? So I will write here. So this triangle 180, this triangle 180, this triangle 180 and this triangle 180. I will add all the triangles. So okay. So sum will be 180 times 4 is equal to 720 degrees. The sum of all the angles of a triangle. But we were not supposed to take these angles 2, 3, 4 and 1. So I will subtract the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 360. So sum of required sum, you can say it is equal to 720 is sum of all the angles, but we need to subtract this and this. Minus 360, it will become 360, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy. You just need to apply just some tricks that you already know, right? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like to watch math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.